In this video, I'll detail how to get the record button on iPhone on iOS 18. So if the record button is missing on your iPhone on iOS 18 and you couldn't record your iPhone screen by swiping at the control center like this and then tap record button to start recording, then this video is going to show you how you can easily get this back to the iPhone control center. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to get the record button on your iPhone on iOS 18 is scroll down the control center like this, press and hold the control center, then click on Add the control. Once you click on Add the control, you're going to have access to all the controls on your iPhone that you can add to the control center, just like this. Now you can just come here, tap search control, and search for screen recording. Then once you find screen recording, go ahead and click on it once. Then once you click on it, you see the screen recording application added to the control center on your iPhone like this. And you can also rearrange the control center to reposition the screen recording button. You can also make it a little bit bigger like others. So this, you can make it like this, or make it bigger in square form or in a rectangular form. So like this or this. And once you successfully added the record button to your iPhone control center, just click outside to save changes. Then you're going to see screen recording added to the control center. Now, when next you want to use the screen recording application on your control center, all you just need to do is press and hold it to pop menu like this. Then go ahead and turn on microphone. Once turned on, go ahead and click on start recording to start recording your iPhone screen. So that is basically how to get the record button on iPhone on iOS 18. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.